How's it going? This is Whit from sEndMedia. Today I'm excited to share with you a game-changing product that will transform your video editing experience. So before we get into the product, let me give you the background. So Motioncan reached out to me to make a video on their graphics pack for DaVinci Resolve. So I agreed, and they sent me a bunch of information, and they even sent me the product for free, which was super generous of Motioncan. I also trusted the product immediately because it was on Envato Element, which is a company I already support. So I downloaded it, used it, and it was great. So let me show you how to use it. You just download the pack, link in the description, and once the installation process is done, you can find most of the graphics in the title section in your effects library, with the rest in the transition section. You just drag and drop it. You just drag and drop it and it will automatically fit into your timeline no matter the resolution or aspect ratio. It is also very organized with all the different categories labeled. The graphics pack for DaVinci Resolve by Motioncan has 2,250 graphic elements across 20 categories. This pack is fully resizable and customizable, giving you endless creative possibilities. Plus, it includes over 600 sound effects and glitch effects for added impact. Something to note is that the sound effects and glitch effects are not automatically installed into Resolve, but an easy solution to this is just to make power bins. Just go to the right hand corner in your media tab and select power bins. This will make sure anything you add in here will be available to any future videos, so you don't have to constantly import your most used assets. So what are my thoughts on the product? It's great. Well organized, fully customizable, and easy to use. The only thing is when you're downloading it, make sure to download all the fonts or else not all the animations will work. But this can be easily overlooked compared to the great product you will receive. And if you have any trouble downloading the graphics pack, Motioncan has a document that goes over every step of how to download and get your graphics pack working. They even have a video on YouTube if you prefer watching someone download it. Before you purchase the product, you may notice that there are two license options, regular and extended. While both licenses provide unlimited use and access to all features and packs, the extended license is required for commercial purposes such as using the product in a feature film or TV series. For personal or individual use, the regular license is sufficient. So go get the pack. I strongly recommend it and highly encourage it to anyone wanting to upgrade their content. Links will be in the description. Go check it out. Also, all the graphics you saw in this video were from the graphics pack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.